Good evening, y'all. Y'all come on in. How y'all doing this evening? I'm just washing some dishes or some containers. I cleaned out the refrigerator and I got these containers here. All these containers I got to wash. Came out the refrigerator. I like to do my bottom first. When y'all washing plastic containers, well, any containers, I always like to do my bottom first. I always like to do my bottom first. So how's everybody doing? I'm gonna fry some chicken wings a little later on to go with that. Delicious. I wish y'all could taste it. That I think it's 2 in here. Yeah, it is. Don't tell me 3. Yeah, it is 3 in there. Wow. Yeah, but I'm gonna fry some chicken to go with that delicious salad I made earlier. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch the video macaroni salad, I think I call it, or I may call it pasta salad. But if you make it one thing, you'll be calling it is good. Because it's mighty, mighty good. So I'm going to get these washed up. And then I'm going to be with y'all in just a minute once I get these washed up. See you in a minute. And listen, while I'm gone, y'all gonna share. Gonna share. Sharing is caring, guys. So y'all share the love. Sharing is caring. So share the love. Yeah. Share the love. So I'm going to get these washed up. And y'all share the love. Until I get back with you. Just a few minutes.